Today, defense attorneys recalled witnesses the jury has already heard from. When the prosecution was presenting its case, defense attorneys trying to prove that Christopher Taylor was afraid for his life when he fired 3 shots. Week 2 of Christopher Taylor's murder trial wrapped up with the body cam video of several officers. Mitchell Piper was a rookie under the guidance of a training officer on April 24, 2020. He testified he did not see another way to get in and out of the parking lot besides the driveway where officers were positioned.
At the time, I thought the only way to get out of that part of the apartment complex was where we were at. I thought he was going to attempt to ram our patrol cars to get out, based on my belief that there was no other option for him to leave that area.
How did that make you feel?
Scared.
Piper fired less lethal rounds in the moments before Officer Christopher Taylor opened fire with his rifle. Ramos suffered a gunshot wound to the abdomen and a gunshot wound to the head. The training officer who was with Piper also took the stand.
In the academy, are you trained to kill when you have to engage a deadly force threat?
No, sir.
What is your training?
You're trained to stop the threats.
Earlier in the week, prosecutors maintained that Ramos had been turning his Prius away from officer toward the north end of the parking lot to flee through an opening in the trees. Officer James Morgan had responded to calls in the South Austin apartment complex before the Ramos shooting.
Why didn't you discuss the north end of the parking lot?
Based on my knowledge of the parking lot, there is not an exit over there, sir.
Another witness, former senior officer Katrina Ratliff, also took the stand. Prosecutors questioned something she said on her body cam video in the critical moments that Ramos began to move his car.
And I believe we heard you say twice, do not leave, do not leave. Is that correct?
Correct.
But also testified that the reason she herself did not shoot was because she was standing behind another officer and did not have the time to react. The trial is expected to resume on Monday morning. Reporting at the criminal courthouse, Adele Uchida, CBS Austin News.
Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and get the latest news by downloading the CBS Austin News app.